Hi guys! Okay, today I'll be sharing with you new products 2.0. So before I start, remember to help me like and share, yeah? Okay, let's go for the first item. We have this screen protector for MT15 and R15. Let me take out and show you. It's the clear one, will be $10 each. Yeah, stuck. Hold on, yeah. Okay, it will look like this. It's only for MT15 and R15 only, and inside also come with those stickers for the dust and also some wet tissue before you paste it. So for this will be $10 each for the clear one. So we also do provide installation for these, about $10. So if you wish to install, you can just come down and go to our workshop to install this. Okay, let's move on to the next product. We also do have the R15 radiator guard version 3, only in black color. Let me take it out and show you. Okay, hold on now. Let me take it out and show you. So for this will be $35 each. For this we also do provide installation. So if you wish to install, you can just come down to our workshop to install. For this will be $35. It's only for R15 version 3. Okay, let's move on to the next item. For the next item, we also have the R15 version 3 and MT15 lowering kit. Let me take it out and show you. For this is actually to lower down your seat. So it's stainless steel one. Let me take it out and show you. Yeah. For this, we also do provide installation. So if you wish to know the labor fee, you can comment down below or DM us. We will let you know. Okay. It will lower by 30 mm for this. So it comes in 2 pieces. So if you wish to see the photo, you can just DM us. We will send you a photo that is we will send you the photo on how it does it look like once it's installed. For this can be lowered by 30 mm. So but only for R15, V3 and MT15. For this will be $70 one set. So yeah. This one is perfect for girls that is not so tall like me to install this to lower down the seat, so you can actually touch the ground and don't and not feel so scared when you ride on the road. Okay, let's move on. We also do have the radiator guard for MT15 in the same material as the R15 one, but just that it's for MT15. For this will be $35. Yep, only in black color. Okay, if you have any question, you can just comment down below. Our admin behind will reply you guys from there. For all these items, we do provide installation. So if you wish to know the labor fee, you can just DM us. We will let you know. Okay, next item, we also have this spoiler thingy for your box. It's only $8. This is our new item. So below there is a 3M sticker. You can just peel it off and then stick behind your box. Yeah, it's the front is carbon fiber. For this is $8 each. Let's move on. We also have Savage new balancer. It's universal one. For this will be $25 each pair. They will look like this. If you're unsure whether this can be able to fit your bike, you can just comment down below or DM us. We will let you know whether this can be installed on your bike or not. So this one pair will be $25 each. Will be in this kind of packaging. Okay, let's move on to the next product. New product, yeah. We also have this side stand shoe. Will be $8 each also. We have blue and black color for this. So let me take it out and show you. It's the side stand for your side stand. It will look like this. We have it in the blue. We have it in blue color also. So if you don't want to use it as a side stand, you also can hang it as a keychain. So this one will be $8 each. Okay, let's move on. We have a few more new items. We also have this duck. So once you shake, there is some LED light inside. So for this will be $5 each available. We have different design for the helmet, so you can come down and choose, or you can let us know. If you wish to see more, you can let us know. We also have upload in our Instagram and Carousel and also Facebook. So if you are interested, you can go there and see. Okay. Let's move on to the next item. We also have a new type of valve cap over here. It will be $5 for 2. We have different design for this. So if you can, we also did upload on our Carousel. So if you wish to see more design, you can go to our Carousel page. Yeah. So it will be $5 each. I also have another design over here. Okay. Let's move on. We also do bring in a new L valve. We have it in a stainless steel color and also the gold color. For this will be $6. It's also a universal one. Let me take it out and show you, yeah. It will look like this. So for 2 will be $6. We have it in gold color also. Okay, the gold one will be here. Let me take it out and show you also. Remember to help me like and share this video, yeah. Okay, so this is the gold color one. It will be $6 each pair. Let's move on. Recently we have brought back the Hella horn. So let me introduce you our Hella horn. So there is 4 types of Hella horn. So the loudest will be our super tone. Over here will be $45 each pair. Let me take it out and show you. For this, we also do provide installation. So if you wish to know the installation fee, you can DM us, let us know which bike model. Then we can quote you the price from there. So we have this, the super tone. The super tone over here. Inside there is also a relay. So you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry that you have to get another relay because it's everything is provided already. Okay. Now let's move on to the next horn. The second loudest will be our sharp tone. Okay, if you wish to listen, if you wish to know how does it sound like, you can come to our workshop. Okay, and then my mechanic will test it out for you. For this sharp tone will be $35 each. Okay, will be in the yellow color. So for the super tone is red color. Same inside also comes with a horn relay, so don't have to get another extra horn relay. So if you wish to know the labor fee, you can just DM us or comment down below. We will straight away reply you from there. Okay, let's move on. Is our red twin tone will be $25 each pair. Let me also take it out and show you. It will be this kind of snail horn in red color. Okay, it will be in a pair for $25. Inside also come with a horn relay, so you don't have to get any extra horn relay for it. Let's move on to the last one. Will be the smaller one, the single horn. Okay, it comes with a pair. It will be $20 each pair. Will be in black color. It look like this. It's much smaller. So if you don't wish to get the bigger one, you can just get this. It will look nicer. So if you wish to know whether you can fit your bike or not, you can comment down below. We will help you check with our mechanic, and then we will get back you straight away from there. Yeah. So if you wish to know the price, you can see it. You can visit our Carousel page. It's all over there. Okay. Let's move on. We also do have frame sliders for R15 version 3 and also MT15. We have it in black and blue color. So if you wish to see how does it look like after it installed, you can just DM us. We will send you the picture of it. So for this, we also do provide installation. For this, will be $60 each pair. We have it in blue color also. If you wish to get any other color, you can just DM us. The pre-orders will take about 3 weeks to arrive, and then we require a 50% deposit. So if you wish to get any other color, you can just DM us. Yeah, we can help you pre-order. But currently we only have black and also blue. Okay. Recently we also do bring in our new helmet. will be the TSR over here. Okay, let me take it out and show you. For the TSR will be how much is the TSR? Will be $90. Okay, let me take it out and show you. We have it in metallic grey and also black. So yeah. Oh my god, tingle up. Okay, hold on. Just give me a minute, yeah? Okay, so for the TSR will look like this. We have it in the glossy black and also grey. Will be this one, the metallic one. And then for this is a double D ring, so you don't have to worry if the clip on tight. So for this will look like this. And for this model it also comes with the sun visor. So sometimes you're riding under the hot sun, like those food delivery rider. This is quite a convenient helmet. So to pull down to use the sun visor, you have to pull down this from the side, the red color one. To push up is to keep it. To push up is to keep it. To push down is to use the sun visor. So it will look like this. We have it in two colors. It will be $90 each. Okay, let's move on. We also do bring in another helmet, which is the ARC helmet. This one will be $70 or $75. Okay, we also come in a grey color, which is the color you see earlier on. For this, it does not come with any sun visor. So it will look like this. This one also the double D ring one. Let me show you. Yeah, it's the double D ring one, and then it will look like this. It's quite a simple helmet. Okay, it will be $75. For these two helmets, there is only one size. So if you are not sure, you can come down and try. It's actually a size L. So we don't have any other size. It's a free size. So if you wish to come down and try, you can just feel free. Don't have XL, only got L. So if you don't know whether you can fit your head, you can just come down and try. Or you wish to know the measurement, you can DM us. We will let you know the measurement for the helmet. Okay, so I guess that is all for today. If you have missed out any item, you can kindly visit us on our Carousell page or our Facebook page. If you wish to know more, you can just straight away DM us. We will reply you from there. So I will see you guys next week. Okay, bye bye.